Hello, I'm Vivian Joy, your Mindset Reset expert here for Mindset Monday. And actually today it's money mindset. And I really want to talk to you about your income earning history. And why? Well, you see, we look for evidence in the past of everything. So if we're looking to the future of how much we can potentially earn, we're going to look about how much we've earned, how much our peer group have earned, how much our family have earned, how much our parents and grandparents have earned. So if you come from a wealthy background, you know it's possible. If you come from a disadvantaged family, financially, then you don't know it's possible. If one of your family members has gone alone, gone to uni and become a big success story, and that's not just about the money, that's about everything, then you believe it could be possible for you too. So this is really about possibilities, and the history is everything. I want you to think back to your first ever job. Mine was for a hairdressing salon. I was 13, washing hair on a Saturday. I was hideous at it. She was a very feisty Italian woman and she screamed at me a lot in Italian. I do know how to swear in Italian. And I look back to how much I earned, and it was not a lot of money. And I look at then how my earnings changed. And actually I look at some of the things where I should have been paid more, or I took an offer of a salary that I probably shouldn't have taken because of some of the ways I was feeling about my own self-worth. And all of these leave a little mark on my, ooh, what are you worth? Ooh, how do you feel about yourself? Ooh, what do you think you're worth to the world? And so sometimes these marks are little and we will be able to just carry on. And sometimes they're big, etched, you're not worthies, that are sitting in the background. This is why I do a lot of money mindset work with women before they come onto my Thrive program, even before they come into the academy, but especially if they're not earning what they want to earn and they're not investing in themselves, or they don't believe that they can achieve, they don't believe what they can earn. And if this is you, then you need to speak to me, because otherwise you could learn all the skills in the world, but you will still stay within the ceiling and just slightly probably above the floor of where you've always earned before. And that's not going to take you where your life wants to be. So if you want to have a chat with me, you can come and have a free 15 minutes. This is only until the end of February, and then this won't be available. I'm getting quite full. So if you do want to have a chat with me, book it, and my diary is there. You can then choose what time is specific for you. And I look forward to helping you sort through this.